Hey, what's up, everybody? All right, so I got this PC in. Currently, what it's doing is here. I'll show you right now. So this is technically all it does. It just stays on this loading screen. Or another variation, what it does is it just does this for a little bit, and then this whole screen stays black. Computer will still run, but nothing. You won't be able to use Windows or nothing at all. So we're gonna get into it and let's try to figure it out. First thing would be I'm going to try to install Windows fresh, and we'll see what happens after that. Okay, we got Windows installing at the moment. Right now I'm installing Windows 10 just because it's easier to do the initialization and get everything started. After this is done, I will do a few tests and check the health of the hard drive, because it was running really slow in the beginning. Right now that I'm installing the files, it did install the files really quick, which is a very good sign. So I'm thinking fresh install Windows should fix this. Easy money. If you know what you're doing, it's easy money, of course. Okay, we're going for the first boot. Running pretty quick. That's really fast. You must have an SSD. I haven't really looked at it. Oh yeah, that's super quick, bro. Yeah, he definitely has a hard drive. Use the cable to the hard drive. Must be somewhere down here or somewhere. Alright, right on. Finished installing. Now let's go through this steps. Skip. To unlimited setup. We're gonna write admin. They can change it later. No password for the moment. Accept. Not now. Check that out. We're at the home screen. This usually when the hard drive is really bad after installing Windows, if this stuff doesn't flow like this, then there's definitely something wrong with your hard drive or your main storage. This is smooth. This is good. Now we're gonna have to connect the Wi-Fi. Connect the Wi-Fi. Okay, we got the Wi-Fi hooked up. Now we gotta go to the Windows updates and do the thing. Checking the updates. Alright. Alright, well, just let it do the thing. Come back when that's done. Okay. Oh, that's a shit. It's missing an antenna. Oh, never mind. There it is. Downloading all the drivers. Cool. Alright. Well, let that download and then we'll do the next step. Okay, so just find out Windows 11 cannot be installed. The reason for it is that it needs a little special chip sensor, TPM. It's like a security sensor. This one doesn't have it. All good. It's all good. No problem. But if you ever do want to find out how to do that, you just click there First of all, you go to your settings, you go to Windows Updates, and then it's all your updates. You scroll all the way down. You're gonna see this. Check that. Then you download Health Check app. You download that, right? You install it. And that app I have here already, the Health Check app. PC Health Check, okay. And then you just click this, check now. See? This PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements. TPM2 must be supported. Yeah. See, TPM not detected. How good. Alright, we'll just continue doing the updates. And after the updates are done, technically it's done. I can call a customer to pick it up. I might do a hard drive health check. Yeah, let me download that. And we got this crystal disk info opened up. Health status is good. We got a 480 gigabyte SSD. Current, worst, and then threshold. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but it says good, so we're gonna go with it. We got everything all installed, all updates. Check the hard drive for the health, and we are 100% good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and call the customer, let them know that their PC is ready to go, and get paid. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for watching, and like, follow, and comment. Thanks.